Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how I can render this interior visualization. So you can see, is this real or 3D making? So when you see this LED TV, so it can it seems fake, handmade. And when you see this render image, you can see here this light effect, everything is this real or fake. So let's start. Welcome back. So you can see this the render I have made in Blender, but the render engine is different, not in Eevee, not in Cycle. So if you carefully notice that you can see here the light here, fall here, this fall, and the reflect the light from the sky and reflect on the floor. This is the tiles floor, and this is far, and this is sound box. You can see here sound box, and you can see here the reflect light from the this is the white color floor reflected here, and this light. And can you feel this is, just look carefully, is this real or unreal, photorealistic or fake? So this render is not from a Cycles or neither in Cycles nor in Eevee. So what render engine I have used for this photographic render? This is not a ultra realistic, this is photographic render. So the render engine is not a new for us. It is a very so you can see here that what render engine I have used. The render engine name Luxcore render engine. This is if so in everybody want the ultra realistic, so this is not a realistic, this is a photographic. What the light behaves in the real world. You can see here the all light behavior in the real world. So you can see here, so this is the Luxcore render engine. You can see here you can see here Luxcore render. This render engine is not like a Cycles and not like a Corona or V-Ray. So this is the Luxcore render engine. It is a spectral ray tracer, just like a Maxwell. Maxwell is a full spectral ray tracer engine, just like a Luxcore. But in other hand, the Maxwell is proprietary and you can buy it from internet. So in other hand, Luxcore is totally free and open source. So I have downloaded it and installed in my 4.2.3. So for product designing or product designing, industrial product designing, especially in jewelry, caustic, where you can find the caustic, glass effect, water effect, and something like that. So in the every client's wants and every client's are seeking the ultra realistic. Actually, not ultra realistic. This is a photographic render in architectural visualization. So you can see here, if this image, so I want to show you what the photorealistic on, what the not photorealistic. So if I go here, and I have downloaded some reference image, and from Telegram. So you can see here, this is render from V-Day or Corona, or you can see here this render from Luxcore render engine. You can see here, this is a Luxcore render engine. This is not this is a photographic render, and this is not a fake. So you can see here, when you see it here, it is a Corona render. It looks like a fake. Or so when somebody has a keen eye, they can easily detect that this render is not a real, this is a fake. So this is, you can see here, this is for Luxcore render engine, or this or it may be from Maxwell. So how you can set this this one in from Luxcore? So at first I want to go to composite. So you can see here, so at first you install it on your Blender. So go to the render setting, so you can see everything. So Luxcore, so use GPU instead of CPU. It is by default setting. So what I have just change the sample. You can see here this sample. You have to know just it is the deactivate the denoise. So in the next tutorial I will show you how you can denoise your this is my denoise, this is my denoise node. So I don't use the in denoise. So the next one, devices, it automatically, this one you can see here, Quadro K2000, and clear error effect. Always when you see the clear code error, clear error log, so click on hit on here, so it automatically clear. So catch, image scaling, don't need in image scaling, CPU, device, viewport, advanced error log, lux tool, nothing. Everything is just what should you for maximum bounce 16, diffuse 10, glossy 10. It is like a cycles engine, looks like a cycle engines. And go to the this view layer, and what should you activate the extra layer for denoising this image. So click on the albedo, because this denoise needs the albedo socket. Click on the alpha, and then emission. For emission, for glaring this light effect, activate this emission. And for normal, you can say AVZ shading normal. So you can see here AVZ normal. Click on here. So next you go to the environment. So I have used the HDR. This is my HDR image. You can see here. This is, you can use any type of so HDR. This map I have used, this map I have used. So gain, this one, exposure, and this one, setting, performance, this one. And when you this one, performance, enable ray trace nothing to be changed. And now I'm gonna show you how to set the camera setting. This is the main important. This is the camera. Select the camera, then go to the camera data, and clipping. This ready button always activate for transform your environment. So in here I used this white color texture. So this is the setting, and when you go to the render setting, clamping, this is the clamping setting 5.0. so this is very easy. Don't use the bidirectional. It is for special effect or this path effect. And one thing I have forgotten to show you, the sample, how you can find the sample. So where is this option? Sample option. This is sampling. You can see here, this is sample. This is the sample. This is the sample. This is not a this section is not for put as sample. Something like that 300 samples. Somebody is using 300 sample for making a video or for still photography. You should set the minimum 1000 to 2000 samples. So this one sample, this one sample, this one. So hold condition, use the time, so you can set the time, hold condition, and use the sample. I have used the 300 sample. So minimum sample is 1000 and maximum you can set 2000 for a still image, but this image for videography, so I have set this 300 sample. So sampling, you can sit here, and in other hand you can set use the time. What time you should change this one, the hold time. So this is my final image. So I hope you enjoy. In the next time I will show you how I can use the Luxcore instead of cycle for getting a photographic rendering. So thanks for watching. If you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe and hit on bell button to get early new release video. Thanks again. Save planet. Bye bye.